gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull.
Alright, Huawei just dropped the Pura 90, and trust me, there's a lot to see. Let's jump straight into the unboxing. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. First up, the Pura 90 Pro, and instantly you notice the colors. Huawei didn't play it safe here. They're bold, vibrant, and impossible to ignore. This one, it looks like orange soda. Bright, fresh, super summery. And there's a smooth gradient too, darker at the top, slowly fading into a lighter tone at the bottom. Now, the camera module. It keeps Huawei's signature triangular design. At this point, it's basically their identity. The frame feels metallic and sleek, and on the front, you get a clean, flat display. Inside the box, nothing surprising, a clear case and a 66-watt Type-C charger. Still, Type-C is always a win. Now, let's move to the bigger one. This is the Pura 90 Pro Max in Orange Ocean, and yeah, it looks as wild as it sounds. You get a sea blue tone at the top, blending into orange at the bottom. It's bold, it's different, and the gradient even continues onto the frame, which tells you this wasn't easy to make. Huawei actually started this gradient trend way back with the P20 series. Since then, they've leaned hard into fashion-style designs. Every year feels new, and this orange sea look keeps that streak alive. Even better, the UI matches the phone's colors so everything feels connected. Now, let's talk cameras, because this is where things get serious. The telephoto lens now packs a 200-megapixel sensor. That's huge! And yes, it finally includes the telephoto solution people have been waiting for. Huawei tried something similar with Tektronix on the Pura 80 last year, but it never launched. This time, it's real. Check the case. The back has a leather-like texture, but around the camera, it's metal. Even the grip area uses metal, so it feels premium in hand. The phone itself follows that same material style. Now the camera attachment. It's chunky but clever. It starts with an adapter ring that locks in from the side. Tight, no wobble. The grip has a built-in battery and clips on easily. And then you get a 3.33x extender. More zoom, more flexibility. And honestly, that's where things get really interesting. Now, let's take a closer look at the back interface, because this part is interesting. There's an extra structure underneath, and this smaller section usually slides, but the moment you attach the extender, boom, it locks in tight, no wobble. Feels Bay-Hod solid. Honestly, one of the most secure extender setups right now, and Huawei placed it on the lower lens, which makes the grip feel way more natural. Now, here's where it gets crazy. With the telephoto extender, you instantly get 13.5x zoom, push further, 27x, 54x, even 108x, and at the extreme, 216x. That's wild. Let's test it on that flower by the window. At 13.5x, easy. 27x, still sharp. Thanks to that 200-megapixel sensor, zooming feels smooth. Even 54x holds surprising detail. Lighting wasn't great here, but the results still impress. Overall, the camera on the Pura 90 Pro Max, big upgrade. This level of zoom means you can shoot faraway subjects, like concerts, without losing detail. Quick side note, I recently tried 3D printing and made a custom case that turns a phone into a camera-style body. It actually looked pretty cool. I might try the same with the Pura 90 Pro Max, measure it, print a case, and see how it turns out. Both the Pura 90 Pro and Pro Max also bring X-Mage selfie mode. It suggests filters automatically, super handy. There's also AI pose guidance with on-screen lines to help you adjust your posture for better shots. Simple but effective. Huawei's AI focus here is clear, and it shows. We'll keep testing both devices, so stay tuned. Got questions or ideas? Drop them below. And to wrap up, the base Huawei Pura 90 Max starts at 6,499 yuan in China, roughly 705 pounds or $953. Full review coming soon. See you there!